kay Ting.
The boy next door.
Ang kultura mao ang haligi sa atong kalibutan. Ug ang sayaw mao ang iyang kusog. Maayong gabi, San Isidro Hanon. Tonight, I dance not only with my feet, but with the spirit of our people. I carry the hopes of every farmer who till our lands. The courage of every fisherman who bravely sail our seas. And the dreams of every children who will shape our future. And the wisdom of every elder who keep our roots alive. Maisayaw is not just an ordinary movement. It is our courage, our unity, our story of struggle and triumph woven into every beat. And so, with fearless pride, I stand before you. I am your Maisayaw Festival King, G. Howard Espinosa Gutierrez. 15, Mapasigarbong nagrepresenta sa nagkahiusang Barangay Dahadako, Dahadio, and Taglawigan.
Yay!